Hello everyone! Welcome to the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. It's a really easy virtual tour that you can take with your students. I'm going to show you just some of the tips and tricks to use and how to navigate it and see what you've done. So this is the map of the full museum, and then we have in the background here the pictures, the digital imaging of the museum. We are right here at the main entrance, and we can turn our screen to see around the main entrance, and it's showing you as we turn to each of those 4 points. 4 main points, but you can see into some of the galleries. As you can see here, we're going into the fossil time because we can see into it. You can start to click on things within here. Up in the right hand corner, we have the ground floor, and we have the second floor as well. Now, as you notice on the map, every time you get a green check, it means that you've viewed that area of the museum. Go ahead and tip your camera up and down. You can zoom in and out to get a good idea of things. And then you can also tour around by pictures. So if you see something interesting, you can go ahead and click over there, adjust your camera, and zoom in to get a better idea. The world with mammals. Then it goes into types of mammals. Kids can go ahead and look at this and then maybe jot down a couple questions they have that they could then explore on the Smithsonian website or other websites to get more information. But it is very cool to go ahead and look through here. Have fun exploring!